Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Mob 1. We've got some thrilling news for you. The sleek Honor Magic V2, which had us all waiting eagerly, is finally available outside China, especially for our European friends who can order it right now. When you get your hands on the Magic V2, it's not just the phone you're unboxing. You'll find a 66W charger, a USB cable, a solid case with a cool kickstand, and a SIM eject tool, all neatly packed. Now, the star attraction, the phone itself. It's impressively lightweight at 231 grams, despite its huge 7.92-inch inner screen. And yes, it folds. It features a 120Hz OLED display, runs on a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, and boasts massive storage and RAM 512GB and 16GB, respectively. Its 5000 mAh battery is a real powerhouse, and the triple camera setup, 50MP wide, 20 megapixels telephoto, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, is something to look forward to. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the Magic V2 in our upcoming full review. Excited? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech updates. Catch you next time on Mob 1.